Hi again. This is the second part of the sciences lesson for Friday. I did it in two parts because it's lighter to upload it on YouTube. Okay. So the second thing you have to do in the science lesson today, Friday, is this. On page 19, there is, I'm going to cover it, is this exercise here, number 3. And here says, look again at your lists of foods in the Explore activity on page 16, which is this one here. Okay, but you don't have to do this one. Okay, so I will make a little change. Okay, so let me explain you. It's not difficult. Here, okay, you have a mind map. Okay, this is what we call it in English, a mind map. Okay, we call it in Spanish mapa conceptual. So it's a way to order things. For example, information, as for example in food groups, but in a different way. To make it in groups, in classifications. Okay, so it says food groups here, and of course we can see here group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, and group number 4. And in here we have the answers, but these are examples from the book. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to write at least 3 examples for each group. 3 examples. Okay, 3 for group number 1, 3 for group number 2, 3 for group number 3, and 3 for group number 4. So you can remember, or if you can't remember very well, you can go and look at the pictures. So in the pictures you will see some of the items and some of the foods that they belong to each group. Maybe you don't know the name in English of all of them, but in that case you can use a dictionary, or you can ask your mom or your dad if they can help you. Okay, if you don't remember very well how to write exactly the word in English, don't worry, it's not the most important thing. Okay, the important thing here, children, is that you can remember the foods, different type of food, in the correct groups. Okay, because we are learning this for something more useful later that I will explain in a further class. Okay, so this is what you have to do, and that's all. That's all for today. So it's not so difficult. So please, we're going to finish with something to help you to remember, to wrap up the things that we have learned today in our previous lessons. For example, I will show you different products that I have here on my table, and you have to tell me in which the name and in which group that food belong to. Okay, for example, I will show you a banana, for example. We'll show you a banana, and you have to tell me, oh, banana, food number 2. Okay, yeah, let's start. It's a little game. Okay, I will give you some seconds to think about it. So let's start with the first one. Just a minute, please. Okay. The first one. What do we have here? What is the name of this? The name is Oil. This is oil. In which group you should classify this one? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. In which group? Exactly. In group number 4. Fats and oils. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Oh, we have a big piece of something here. You can use it in barbecues. What is the name of this in English? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Exactly. This is meat. This is red meat. Red meat. Look at the color. It's kind of reddish. Okay. Question number 2. In which group you should put this one? Tick tock, tick tock. Okay. Do you have the answer? Correct. This one, the meat, belongs to group number 3. The group of meat, legumes, eggs, and dairy. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. This one is so easy. The name of this is? Correct. Apple. Very easy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. And to which group this one belong? Which food group? I will give you some seconds to think about it. Okay, ready? Exactly. This one belongs to the group number 2, the group of the fruits and vegetables. Group number 2. Let's continue. What is the name of this one that maybe you will eat today later? What's the name of this one? Tick tock, tick tock. All right. The name of this one is bread. Bread. And in which group you should put it? In which group? We'll give you some seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Yeah. This is in group number 1, in the group of the cereal, pasta, and bread and grains. Excellent. What about the next one? What is the name of this? Yes? Got the name? Could be the general name, not specifically this one. Yes. The name that we learn in classes about this is cereal. Cereal. Okay? Okay, so this one belongs to this which group? I will give you some seconds. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Ready? So, the cereal belongs to group number 4, 3, 2, 1. Group number 1. Cereal, pasta, and bread. Grains in general. So, and the last one. What about this ones? Candies, sweets. Okay. To which group do they belong? Interesting. Well, we will talk about them later, okay? We'll talk about them later. Because they have a reason. They give us something. They give us sugar. But we have to talk a little bit more about them, okay? So next time. Okay. So this is the end of this lesson to explain the activities for the science lesson tomorrow, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you liked it. You like it, but I would like to, now that I have finished, tell you something. I know that maybe you are doing a lot of things, but please, if you want to do all the things and still have some time to play, okay, try to do the things on your own. Okay, don't ask your mom or your dad everything, because there are many things that you can do on your own. Okay, the things that I'm sending to you are exactly the same things that we do every day in classes. Okay, so you can do it. You are already in third grade, so as you can do it. Okay, you are smart, intelligent students, so you can do it. Okay, if there is a word that you don't understand, you have a dictionary. Use the dictionary, and please collaborate with your mom or your dad. Okay, so if they say, okay, let's do this and let's do the sciences or the lenguaje or anything for the day, please collaborate and be obedient. Okay, your mom and your dad, they have a lot of responsibilities, a lot of obligations. Okay, and you can collaborate with them. Okay, so please, uh, I miss you a lot, but we are connected with this. Okay, I will try, to make more videos like this. Okay, so have a good time. If you have any questions, as I told you, tell your mom or your dad to send me a WhatsApp, or you can send me an email. Okay, and we can talk more about this. So this was the lesson about food groups. Bye bye.